We similar, I see a lot of me and you. I don't need no more numbers, hit the lottery with you and you, babe.
Are you ready? Today we're gonna be watching Set Fire to the Rain. Durian Mask, the masked singer from Thailand.
I think they understand you.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, Bobble, let's go.
Let's go. Work point 23 Jordan. What the hell?
Another one listen to the flames when it fell and died. 'Cause that is so crazy. That was the last time. The last time. No. Until you kiss my lips and you say me. My hands, they strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour inside, touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.
I was not expecting this kind of talent when I saw the mask, to be honest. And then he came out and he was like
the mask and like the whole suit and got the spikes.
I know, who's behind the mask?
Yeah, that's
who's
the
under
question.
there?
That is the true question. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour inside, touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I know sit on the flame. When it felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That hundred cars must be waiting for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can help myself from looking for you. I set the fire to the She can't believe what's going on.
Yo,
That is so crazy.
this is dope, man. Go masked singer. This was awesome. I was not expecting all that. Oh my God. god, he got so many more
many,
videos.
yeah.
We gotta watch another one. This was awesome. This was like, I was not expecting. Seeing the mask, I did not expect him to sing like that. And this blew me away. That's vicious. This was awesome. Yeah. This was so cool. Alright guys, let us know what you thought in the comment section below. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more videos coming your way. Actually, we're gonna go work on some right now. So I'll catch you in the next one.